In this video, we're going to be talking about the anatomy and function of the mouth. So the mouth is basically a part of the body that's located in the head. It's right under the nasal cavity and also connects to the brain through cranial nerves. The mouth acts as an opening, like for expelling substances or trying to consume substances. So the mouth has this humongous opening, and in this humongous opening, there's this soft tissue known as the tongue. In the tongue, it helps not only not only helps store saliva and whatnot, but it also helps with holding the food. So on the tongue, there are these little bumps known as papillae, and basically they are little bumps that contain lots of taste buds. These taste buds, each taste bud has a different cell that is sensitive to a type of taste that they receive. So you might have heard that this part of the tongue will be salty, this part is bitter, this part is sour, sugar, umami. That's a myth. It does not actually exist. So in the taste bud, there are these little cells that go up towards this opening over here. So each of these little cells have receptors located in them, and each cell is sensitive to a type of taste or a molecule that it's receiving. So if it's very sugary, then one type of these cells would be sensitive to it and would immediately contact the brain on what it's trying to eat, like what you're eating right now. The mouth also acts as a good way to be able to protect ourselves against any bad things or any bad toxins that we eat. For example, let's say rotten eggs. So if your eyes are not able to detect that there's rotten eggs and if you pick to eat it, what happens is that the moment it touches your tongue, the sour cells located in the taste buds, those receptors would immediately spit it or gag it out. Also, information from the nose can help understand that this kind of particular substance that you're consuming right now is not exactly good. So when the signal is received, what happens is it sends at the bottom over here to a nerve. This nerve later connects to the cranial nerves, which then send it to two locations in the brain. One being the thalamus, which acts as a relay station and is later sent towards other parts of the brain so it can be correctly identified what you are eating. And next would be the amygdala, which stores the type of taste for memory and also for emotions. For example, let's say pizza is your favorite food. If pizza is your favorite food, then you would often refer to that food as happiness, since you'd be happy for eating it. But let's say you were to eat something like vegetables. If you don't like vegetables, then you would often refer to as sad, so you won't exactly feel so eager to eat it. So that's how the amygdala connects to the food that we're eating, and can sometimes even help, and also can use memories. Like for example, let's say you ate something bad, it would help with those memories and make sure you don't eat it again. This is all about the mouth and how taste works.